This conference will now be recorded.
ఎందుకు online people, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Shall we start?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Thank you. So, what is SAP?
Systems application products data processing.
Okay. How many layers we have in SAP? What are those? Okay. What are the software versions we have in SAP application? What is another version? What is HANA stands for?
High performance analytics application.
High performance analytical appliance. What is HANA?
Application.
What is
Database.
HANA? HANA is a database. It is not an application. Okay. What is S4 HANA? S4 HANA is an application. Okay. So S4 stands for fourth generation business. Okay, good. So, what is the history of SAP? When it has started? Where it has developed?
1972.
By whom?
Germany.
Why?
IBM Plus.
Why they have developed? To provide end-to-end ERP related IT solutions to business companies. Based on the business requirement. Based on the business client business. That is the main thing you people should understand. Based on the client business requirement. Okay. What are the different modules we have in SAP? What are those?
Functional module, technical module, admin module, reporting module.
Reporting modules we have in SAP. SAP BA
Yes.
and BO. Okay. What is the admin module? Okay, what
User
is-
ID creation, password generation.
What is the technical module we have in SAP?
ABAP.
Okay, so any technical module or any technical, okay, or any application normally built on one programming language. What is the programming language of SAP? ABAP. ABAP contains technical programs.
Technical.
Programs contains technical tables. Technical tables contains technical fields. The combination of technical fields we call as technical tables. The combination of technical tables in backend we call as technical programs. The combination of technical programs we call as one programming language. What is the programming language of SAP application? ABAP. Everyone is clear,
ABAP.
right? What are the different functional modules we have in SAP?
FIC, OSD, MM, EMPP.
కొద్దిగా గట్టిగా బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ చేసి రాలేదు సార్ నేను నాకు మీ ఎనర్జీ బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ రైట్ యా చెప్పండి FI stands for financial accounting. CO stands for controlling. MM stands for
Material management.
Okay. ST stands for HCM
Sales and
stands for
distribution.
QM stands for
Human capital management. Project
PM
systems.
stands for
Project plant maintenance.
project maintenance. It is not
Plant
project
management.
maintenance. It is plant maintenance. It is plant maintenance.
Plant
That way we
maintenance.
have more than 50 plus functional modules are there. Okay. Just we have discussed 7 or 8, but okay, people can keep on searching and people will know. Okay, different functional modules we have. Okay, hope you got my point. Okay. Shall we start today class?
Yes, sir.
So today, okay, we will start with what is today topic? Job roles in SAP. Okay, so In online also we have few members, in offline also we have few members. I will ask ఒక 1 or 2 questions. అడగచ్చు కదా, పర్లేదు కదా, ఇంకొట్టరు కదా, తిట్టరు కదా, రైట్. ఎనీవేస్, if you complete this course, you people, okay, morning 6 o'clock or 6:30 based on my message, you people, okay, wake up and you people have, okay, run and you people came here, right? అది కష్టం మీద maybe. Right. Anyways, if you complete this course, what, okay, you people are going to become? If you complete this course, any idea? SAP consultant. SAP consultant. SAP consultant. Sir, anyone from online? If you complete this course in next 4 months, okay, if you get job, what is the role companies are going to provide to you?
FICO consultant.
Any other answer? What SAP consultant will do?
Associate consultant.
Right. What SAP consultant will do? Sir, పర్లా ఫ్రీగా
Functional.
ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నా వరహాలు
Functional consultant.
లేదు కదా, రైట్, ఫ్రీగా. What end user will do? Okay, you told me that end user, right? What end user will do?
The day-to-day transaction which are posted by end user.
ఇంకొకరు ఎవరు end user అని చెప్పి. What end user? Then what consultant will do? That is the reason normally, okay, day 1 and day 2 also I already discussed that. Okay, if you know what you are going to become, okay, without knowing destination, we should not start journey. Right or wrong? You should know where you should go. Right or wrong? The end point you people should know. Right or wrong? Then your destination, if you know the destination, your journey will be little bit easy. Right? So 99% cases, 90% cases at least, the people who comes for demos and the people who joins course, if people don't know, okay, once you complete that course, what you are going to do. Someone normally says, okay, if you go and if you learn that course, okay, salary will get 10 lakhs. Or salary will get 5 lakhs. Based on that, you people will choose course. But okay, you people don't search. Normally, I am telling that we, okay, don't search. We don't do any R&D. Okay, what type of roles we have? Okay, if I take this role, okay, what I will become after 10 years or after 5 years? If I take this role, okay, what I will become after 5 years, after 10 years? We don't search that one. Okay, but this is career. This is career. For me, career means nothing but more or less equal to life. If you design our career in a proper way, our life will be good. If you don't design our career in a proper way, our life will become mess. Right or wrong? Right or wrong? Right or wrong? Agree with me or not? That is not only this field. I am not talking about you. Even your brothers, your sisters, your relatives, your friends, if they want to choose something, you should ask, Are Baba, you are taking Java course. Are Baba, you are taking C course. What you will become after 5 years? If anyone says software employee, okay, give him a slap. What you will become means it is not a software employee. Okay, hope you got my point. Everyone will become software employee or everyone will become normal employee. But okay, what is our career goal after 5 years or after 10 years? You people should have some idea, right or wrong? Career means it is around, okay, for me, 25 to 30 years journey. And it is not a overnight, okay, journey. Once you take, I want to become end user, or once you take, I want to become accountant, once you take, I want to become IAS, or once okay, you take, I want to become cricketer. Hope you got my point. Or cinema actor, it is a, okay, 20 to 30 years journey, 25 years to 30 years journey. Don't take anything, okay, in a That means someone has told, okay, they have told, okay, you should take this course, you should take, my brother is doing like that, my sister is doing like that, that is the reason I have decided to take this course. Not like that. Hope you got more point. Hope you got more point. Anyways, in SAP mainly, coming to the point, we have two types of roles. We have two types of roles. The first one is what is the first role? The second one is business user. Sometimes we call them as end user. Business user role or end user. Okay. We call client. We call them client also. Okay, client side employees also, whatever it may be. Okay. So before I go to these two roles, first of all we should understand who is client. Who is client? Who is client? The client is nothing but a business. The client is nothing but a business, or the client is nothing but a company who has decided to use SAP. To use SAP. I am talking about SAP because in this room, okay, we are here, we have assembled here to know about SAP, to learn SAP. Hope you got my point. In SAP point of view, who is client? Client is nothing but a business, or client is nothing but a company who has decided to use SAP as their ERP software application to record their day-to-day business transactions. Please note it down. Client, you will put first highlighting client. Okay, in SAP, comma, in SAP, comma, client means nothing but a company or business. In SAP, client means nothing but a company or business nothing but a company or business who has decided or who has decided or who are using SAP application to record their day-to-day business transactions. To record their day-to-day business transactions. Again in bracket, from procurement of raw material to what are day-to-day business transactions? From procurement of raw materials to generating revenue by selling finished goods. Generating revenue by selling finished goods. Bracket close. Generating revenue by selling finished goods. Bracket close. Okay. And to generate reports in SAP application. And will generate reports in SAP application. Generate reports in SAP application. So from today onwards, if anyone asks who is client or what is client, what is the answer? Client is nothing but a company or business who are using or who has decided to use SAP application as their ERP application. Okay, ERP software application to record their day-to-day business transactions, and okay, will generate reports in SAP. Okay, first of all, you people understand, right? Okay, so always we use client business requirement, right? Or wrong? Hope you got more point. Okay, so now coming to in SAP, what are the different types of roles we have? Consultant role and business user role or end user role or client. Okay, whatever it may be, we call. So again, in consultant, if you take, we have two types of roles. Functional consultant. Second one, technical consultant role. Okay. Okay, in consultant again, okay, how many types of roles we have? Two types. What are those? Functional consultant role and technical consultant role. And another role we have business user role. What normally business user will do? Who we are to WhatsApp company. Who we are to WhatsApp company. Who we are to Facebook company. Who we are to Instagram.
Business.
Who we are
Business
to Twitter.
user.
Users. What users?
Users.
Who are users? Who are users? The people are who are using that particular application. We call as the people who are using that particular application. We call as users. Here, WhatsApp, for WhatsApp company, we all are users. What we are doing? We are sending messages. We are receiving messages. Right or wrong? We are okay doing, or we are okay generating, or okay we are performing whatever it may be personal data by using WhatsApp. Right or wrong? In the same way, who are business users? Who are business users? Business users are nothing but client side employees. Business users are nothing but client side employees who will use SAP application to record their day-to-day business transactions. Okay, first we will get clarity on okay business user or end users. Who are business users? Business users are nothing but client side employees. Client side employees who use SAP application. Who use SAP application to record day-to-day personal transactions or business transactions. Day-to-day business. Day-to-day business transactions and will generate various MIS reports where in SAP live or production server or who are business users or end users? Business users or end users are nothing but client side employees who uses SAP application. Who uses SAP application. Okay, to record day-to-day business transactions and generate various in SAP live or production system. What is live system? You have gone to bank and you have done some transaction. That is live system. That is live system. Hope you got my point. Once we start system configuration, we do practice here, right or wrong? What is this system? This is dummy system. Hope you got my point. Live system and the companies who are using SAP application, that is live system. Okay, business users where they will work on live system. They will work on. You have gone to some shop, you have purchased one shirt or you have purchased one shoe or watch. They will give one receipt, right or wrong? Where they are generating that receipt? In live system. In live system, because each and every record which they are recording there, they should submit to government. They should submit to government. That is the reason we call that is live system, or we call that is production system. Hope you got my point. Everyone is clear, right? Everyone is clear, right? So from today onwards, if anyone asks what is business user role or what is end user role, what is the role of business user? Business users are nothing but client-side employees who uses SAP application to record their day-to-day business transaction to generate various reports. Where in SAP live system or in SAP production system. Everyone is clear, right? Then who are consultants? That is the main thing. Who are consultants? What consultant role? What you will become? Business user or consultant? What you will become? Business user or consultant?
Consultant.
What is this course mainly for? For business user role or for consultant role?
For consultant role.
What is this course mainly for? You are, I think, okay, you are going to pay some 20,000 or 25,000 or 30,000, whatever it may be, to learn end user course or to learn a consultant role. You are going to become consultant. Our okay, always first priority is consultant. Or always first priority is consultant. If it is not happened, then I teach here consultant role and at the same time I teach here end user role also. But okay, what is our main primary object? To become consultant. Okay, if it does not happen, then you can go for end user. But here you people should understand what consultant will do. I discuss about consultant role and as well as I discuss about end user role. Even in system also we do consultant role okay things and we do end user role things also. Okay, I hope you got my point. But what consultant will do? What consultant will do? That is the main thing we should understand. Hope you got my point. For example, I will give okay a small example. Sir, I will give time. Sir, I will give time. Okay. The main thing you people should understand in any training, professional training I'm talking about. I am not talking about academics. I'm talking about professional training. This is not your academic year or this is not your academics to write okay everything on paper to perform that okay in your exam to get some 90% or 100 marks. Hope you got my point. These all are professional trainings. These all are professional course. You try to grasp or you try to get concept. You try to get concept into your mind. Into your mind. Hope you got my point. Okay, try to understand. Try to understand concept. Once you get that concept, once you keep that concept in your brain, okay, then no one will erase. Right or wrong? Hope you got my point. Anyways, okay, I will take one example. Just assume that you and your friend has gone to one two-wheeler showroom or four-wheeler showroom to purchase two bikes. One is for you and one is for your friend. Two bikes. Okay, you have gone to some two-wheeler showroom. You purchase two bikes, same company, same amount, everything. Okay, even the latest trend market lo bike the KTM. Which bike is famous nowadays? Enfield. మీరు యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారనా రైట్ ఎనీవేస్ ఓకే నో ప్రాబ్లం సో యూ పీపుల్ హ్యావ్ పర్చేస్ టూ బైక్స్ విత్ 1 lakh rupee okay each one just assume that with 1 lakh rupee each one. Once you complete all formalities in showroom they have handed over that bike to you, same bike with okay two tires and engine and okay handle and everything same as it is. What you people will do once you complete those all formalities in showroom? Straight away people will go to temple. Just assume that you people have done. నేను పెట్టాను కదా మెసేజ్ Right, okay. Anyways, okay. Then straight away we will go to temple and we will go ఎక్కడ ఏమి జరగకుండా చూడమా ఓకే నేను ఎర్లీ మార్నింగ్ 3 o'clock వరకు ఫ్రెండ్స్తో ఎంజాయ్ చేసి రోడ్డు మీద 150 స్పీడ్తో వెళ్ళినా ఏం జరగకూడదు రైట్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద ప్రేయర్స్ వి డూ విత్ టు గాడ్ ఎనీవేస్ ఆఫ్టర్ కంప్లీషన్ ఆఫ్ దట్ పూజా సర్మన్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వాట్ వి పీపుల్ విల్ డూ గర్ల్ ఫ్రెండ్ వేసుకుని బయటకు వెళ్తాం సార్ ఉంటారా రైట్ ఎనీవేస్ వాట్ వి పీపుల్ విల్ డూ we will go to, for example, if you have some taste or if you want to add something to that particular bike or car, immediately we'll go to that car decker showroom or that okay bike repair, okay whatever it may be, bike showroom, right or wrong? And you will ask them, this company has given some standard seat cover, no I don't like this, okay I want to change my seat cover, right or wrong? If your friend is liking blue color, okay just assume that, because okay just assume that okay he is the sympathizer of one political party, just assume that that is the reason he likes only blue color, and another one is liking yellow color, and another one is liking okay some okay white color, whatever it may be, just okay you people have decided to change the seat covers based on your interest, right or wrong? Based on your interest. And okay after that again you don't like that handle, you have asked that particular okay showroom okay or bike okay repair mechanic or whatever it may be, I don't like this handle, remove it, I want short handle, I want short handle, right or wrong? And after that again okay you have asked, see that horn also not good for me, okay if I put that horn at least of 1 kilometers 2 kilometers everyone should listen that horn right or wrong? Okay I want to put lorry horn for my two-wheeler, I want to put my lorry horn for my two-wheeler. అవే కదా జరిగేవి మనకి ఊళ్ళో. What okay these two people are doing, company has given same bike to these two people, right or wrong? But they are changing that bike based on their taste, based on their likings, based on their requirement. Hope you got my point. In the same way, SAP also. Are they doing that or they are depending on anyone? They are depending on showroom, okay, mechanic, right or wrong? Because they don't know how to remove these all things, how to okay put that all things, right or wrong? Install these all things, right or wrong? That is the reason they are depending on some third party. Hope you got my point. Hope you got my point. You are the owner of that bike, you only have purchased it, but you are not doing modification because you are not expert. You are expert in driving. But okay, right? Hope you got my point. You are expert in driving, but you don't know how to remove and how to install these all things. That is the reason you are depending on some mechanic. Again, to remove that standard thing and to add remaining things. Okay, based on your interest. Based on your interest. Now coming to SAP. What is SAP? SAP is a ERP application. Everyone knows. Reliance Ambani goes to SAP, and if Reliance Ambani has asked, I want to use SAP application for my company. All my employees will record the transactions by using SAP application. At the same time, Adani also has gone to SAP, and Adani also has asked, I want to use SAP, I want to purchase SAP because all my employees wants to record day-to-day transactions in SAP application. In the same time, Tata people also has gone to Tata Motors, Tata Steels, Tata Power. These all are there now, right? These people also has gone to SAP. They also have purchased the SAP application. SAP application is a not free application like our WhatsApp, like our Facebook. They should purchase. Okay, hope you got my point. Okay. Yes, okay. So they also have gone to SAP. They have asked, I want to purchase SAP application because my all businesses, my all employees will use SAP application to record day-to-day traffic. Then what SAP will do? SAP as a company, SAP as an application service provider, they will sell their application. They will sell their application to everyone. Same application, right or wrong? Whether you install WhatsApp, whether I install WhatsApp, WhatsApp is WhatsApp, right or wrong? For you, it is not yellow color. For me, it is not red color, right or wrong? Hope you got my point. Everyone will install SAP or WhatsApp, the same color, same icon, round icon, right or wrong? Hope you got my point. For you, okay, it will come in okay round shape. For me, it will come as a love symbol shape. It will not come like that, right or wrong? It is a standard application. It is a standard application. In the same way, what SAP will do? SAP also will sell the same application to companies. To companies. Who are companies? Clients are companies. Who are companies? Clients are companies. SAP also one company, right or wrong? These all companies have requirement of one application. They have approached SAP. They have searched n number of applications. Then they came to know like you. You people also have such n number of career roles or whatever it may be. Then you people have decided to learn SAP. In the same way, companies also have such. Just assume that n number of applications in the market, ERP applications. Then they have decided my company should use SAP to record day-to-day business strategies. Everyone is clear, right? Then this Reliance people, Adani companies, and as well as Tata companies. These three people have approached to SAP to buy SAP application. Just assume that. Then SAP will sell same product to these three people, right or wrong? Same product to these three people, right or wrong? But Adani nature of business is different. Just assume that Adani have purchased that particular SAP application for Adani Power. Adani Power. Reliance Mukesh Ambani has purchased that particular SAP for Reliance Petroleum. Reliance Petroleum. Power is different nature of business. Petroleum is different nature of business. Right or wrong? Tata Group companies, they have purchased SAP application for Taj Hotels. Taj Hotels. Taj Hotels also belongs to Tata only, right? So here, if what you people should understand, petrol business is different, right or wrong? Making petrol is different concept. Generating power is different concept, right or wrong? And hotels, service industry, different industry. But these three people have purchased application from SAP. SAP sold same application to these three people, right or wrong? Right or wrong? Will they use same application as it is? Will they modify that application based on their business or not? Will they modify that particular application based on that business or not? Just assume that you people are spending some 20,000, 30,000 to buy one mobile. After you purchase that mobile, you people will make changes to that mobile or not? You people will put some cover. You people will do some different things. Right or wrong? You are not using standard mobile which that company has given. Right? You are making changes to your mobile based on your interest, based on your requirement. Hope you got one. Someone likes only bold letters. Someone likes only italic letters. Someone likes only white background. Someone likes yellow background. You people are changing or not? Just you are spending 20,000, 30,000. For that only you are making a number of changes to your mobile. The application cost is in crores. The application cost how much? In crores. So these companies who purchases that application, they will change that application based on their requirement or not? Based on their business requirement or not? Based on their business requirement or not? Who will make the changes? Who will make the changes? They are not experts. They are experts in Reliance Mukesh Ambani, expert in his business, not in SAP. Right? Adani is expert in his business, not in SAP. Taj Hotel owner is now Ratan Tata is not there. That is the reason I am not using his name. Taj Hotel owner or CEO or CFO or MD is expert in his business, not in SAP. So they should depend on someone or not? So normally how it happens? See, as per our understanding, the first person is client. Who is client? Client is nothing but company. These people have decided to use SAP application. They may directly approach SAP or they may approach mediators. In between, mediators are there. I don't use the word broker. I use mediator. Why I don't use the word broker means because I am also right working in IT company. Right? Hope you got my point. So this company, they directly may approach SAP or in between we have will be there? Who will be there? Who are these? TCS, TechChem, okay, and Capgemini, Accenture. Who these all are? IT companies. His client directly they may contact. Okay, SAP company. Or this client may directly contact IT companies. Just assume that if they contact SAP application, SAP company, okay, normally see. I first use SAP. What this SAP company will sell? SAP company will sell SAP application. SAP application license. SAP application license. Yes, okay. You are paying amount to me. Now you have right to use my application. Who will give that license? SAP company. But this client has some business requirements. This client has some business requirements. Just assume that. Then SAP company will say to this client has asked, okay, I am purchasing software from you, but you are selling same software to all companies in the world. But my business is different, that other people business is different. How I can use our application? You come and you change, you make changes in my software. But okay, where SAP has developed? Germany. Every time this the people who are sitting in Germany, they cannot travel to across the globe, right or wrong? For all companies in the world. I already told you, 80% of companies are using SAP in the world. Hope you got moment. This SAP Germany people every time they cannot visit to every company in the world and they cannot make the changes. Right or wrong? Then what SAP will say normally? Okay, you are saying that you should make some changes to application. I may come or I may not come based on my calendar availability. Based on my calendar availability. But we have some authorized people there in the market. Okay, we have some authorized people are there. Okay, in the market. You can approach them. They will come on behalf of us. They will make changes. Who are the authorized people? Who are the authorized people? IT companies.
IT companies.
IT companies are nothing but who are these? Implementation partners. Implementation partners of SAP. Every time I cannot come, okay, I have my people across the globe. Across the globe, you can approach them. You can discuss with them. They will charge something. Hope you got the point. Then what this client do? This client will approach IT company. This client will approach IT company. Who we are? We are employees of IT company. We are employees of IT company. Then what IT company will do? For example, IT company will get some project from Reliance or Adani or Taj Hotel. Then they will recruit people like us. They will recruit people like us who are experts in SAP design. Who are experts in SAP design. Then they will send to. Then they will ask us to do some development in SAP application based on client business requirement. Based on client business. Here you people should understand few terminologies. Who are client? Client is nothing but a company. అంతేనా అదే మాట్లాడుకుందామా? Who are client? Who is client? Client is nothing but a
Company.
who has decided to use day-to-day business transactions. They have decided. They have purchased license from SAP company. Then they should change that application or they should modify that application based on their business requirement. Based on their business. Then to whom they will approach? They will approach IT company. Who we are? Once you complete this course, who will become? You will become IT employees of IT company. Right or wrong? Hope you got my point. Okay, you will become IT employees of IT company. Then what these IT companies will do? They will recruit people like us and they will ask us to make modifications in SAP application based on based on based on based on client requirement. Hope you got my point. Everyone is clear, right? These IT companies, what we call as implementation partners of SAP. Implementation partners of SAP. If anyone asks, okay, who is TCS company to SAP? Who, okay, what is the role of Tech Mahindra to SAP? You people should say Tech Mahindra, TCS, Capgemini. These all are implementation partners. Implementation partners of SAP company. Every time SAP company cannot come to make changes. Hope you got my point. To do the modifications based on client requirement. Based on client business requirement. You always should keep that one in your mind. Hope you got my point. Now tell me, hope everyone got clarity. Now tell me what consultant will do. Consultant will modify. Okay, మీ భాషలో చెప్పండి, మీ లాంగ్వేజ్ లో చెప్పండి. Consultant will modify SAP application. Okay, SAP application based on based on based on that is the thing people should understand. Hope you got my point. What you are going to become after completion of this course? You are going to become first priority is consultant. First priority is consultant. What consultant will do? Consultant will modify. Consultant will modify. Modify అనే మాట వద్దు, ఇంకొద్ది మారుతాం మీ లాంగ్వేజ్ లో. Consultant will design. Consultant will design. Okay, client SAP system. Client SAP system based on client business requirement. Based on client business requirement. Everyone is clear, right? Everyone is clear, right? So now, what is the functional consultant role? We call these functional consultants in real time as FC. How we call? FC. FC means functional consultant. If anyone asks, what is your role? Okay, have you worked as FC? Sir, నాకు ABCD తప్ప FC తెలియదు. Don't use that one. Okay, hope you got it. What is FC? FC means functional consultant. Okay, what is the functional consultant role? Functional consultants will design. Okay, will design. This is normal, okay, day-to-day language word. For your understanding purpose I have done, but SAP terminology we should not call design. SAP terminology we should not call design. Okay, we should call what we call configure. This is SAP terminology. You people always should use configure. For your understanding purpose, just I have used this one. Okay, you people are new to SAP, right or wrong? First, you people should understand in layman language. Then slowly, you people should convert into SAP language. Hope you got my point. Okay, in SAP terminology, what we call configure. So, functional consultant will configure. Okay, functional consultant will configure. Okay, client SAP application. Client SAP application. Based on client business based on client business requirement. What is this client business requirement? Day 1 నుంచి చెప్తున్నాడు business requirement. What is that client business requirement? We take this Reliance, we take this Adani, we take this Tata. These three companies, okay, you people know, right? You people know, right? Every Indian knows about, okay, Reliance. Every people, okay, Indian knows about Adani. Every Indian knows about TC, okay, Tata, right? Yeah, tell me. What is business requirement? For example, I take Adani Power. I take Adani Power. To generate this power, they are purchasing some material from local market. From local market. That means only in India. Only in India. They need only local procurement functionality in SAP. In their SAP system. In their SAP. Reliance Petroleum, Adani Power, Taj Hotels. These three companies has purchased SAP application from SAP company. Everyone is clear in that, right? So now coming to first Adani Power. To generate Adani Power, they are purchasing some material. Okay, what that material? Leave it. Okay, we don't require that. Is what is that material? What is the density? What is that price? What is that quantity? Forget about these all things. మనకు అవసరం లేదు. Hope you got my point. What you people should understand? To generate that power, Adani company needs some material. They are purchasing that material from local market. From local. What is local market in the sense? In India itself. In India itself. At the same time, Reliance Petroleum, okay, to make that petrol, to produce that petrol, they are purchasing some raw material. They are purchasing some raw material from local market. At the same time, from abroad also. From abroad also, other countries also. What is Adani Power company requirement? They need only local purchases. Only local purchases. What is Reliance Petroleum requirement? They want local purchases functionality also in their SAP system. At the same time, import procurement facility also in the system. What is import? Import means we are importing goods. We are importing goods from other country. Night Trump garu Modi garu meeting lo again Trump has told that India is charging like anything for import taxes. Right or wrong? What is import? We are importing goods from other countries. Hope you got my point. Okay, hope you got my point. So, what is Adani Power requirement? Adani Power requirement, they need local purchases functionality in their SAP system. They should record. Okay, whenever they purchase material, they should record in system. What type of material that is? Only local material. Only local material. Then what about Reliance Petroleum? They are purchasing material from local market at the same time from other countries. These two records, they should record in application or not. Application or not, each and every transaction they should record because that is legally required. That is legally required. They are business, they are doing business legally. They should submit to government. They should submit to government. Hope you got over. Coming to Adani Power requirement, whenever they purchase material from local market, they should have only local market functionality in system. Hope you got my point. Simple way and in your bank account, if you want to do domestic transactions, you directly can do. Can you do international transactions? Can you do international transactions? If you want to do international transactions, what you people should do? You people should go to bank. You people should take separate permission and separate. Okay, they should activate few things. Then only you can do international transactions. Right or wrong? So based on your requirement, they have provided only local transactions. If I am NRI, they will provide local transactions. At the same time, they provide forex related transactions. In the same way here also, but bank account is bank account for you and for me also. Right or wrong? In the same way, SAP application is SAP application for Adani Power or Reliance or Taj Water, whatever it may be. So, but what they are doing, Adani Power is saying, I want to record only local purchases transactions. What Reliance Petroleum requirement? They want to record. మాట్లాడండి సార్ ఫంక్షనల్ కన్సల్టెంట్ మాట్లాడకపోతే వీ కెనాట్ సర్వైవ్ తెలుగైనా పర్లా గట్టిగా కమాండింగ్గా మాట్లాడు హోప్ యూ గాట్ మై పాయింట్ ఫంక్షనల్ కన్సల్టెంట్ ద మెయిన్ రోల్ దే షుడ్ స్పీక్ యు ఆర్ నాట్ ఏ ప్రోగ్రామర్ రైట్ ఆర్ మౌనంగా కూర్చుని ఏదో నా ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్టు నేను చేసుకుంటాను ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ రాసేస్తాను ఇచ్చేస్తాను సబ్మిట్ చేసేస్తాను I don't speak anyway. I am very reserved. I don't speak to my father. I don't speak to my mother. Then why I should speak to my manager? Gendetharanడి బయటికి కాల్తూ రైట్ ఆర్ రాంగ్ మన రిజర్వ్నెస్ ఏమన్నా ఉంటే మన ఇంట్లో చూపిద్దాం మన ఇవి ఏమన్నా ఉంటే మన ఇంట్లో చూపిద్దాం వాళ్ళు పడతారు కాబట్టి కంపెనీస్ పడవు కదా హోప్ యూ గాట్ మై పాయింట్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద మెయిన్ రోల్ ఆఫ్ ఫంక్షనల్ కన్సల్టెంట్ యూ షుడ్ స్పీక్ హోప్ యూ గాట్ why he should speak. He always should speak to You always should speak to take ఆడికి లోకల్ మార్కెట్ కావాలా ఇంపోర్ట్ మార్కెట్ కావాలని ఎవరు అడగాలండి? ఎవరు అడగాలి సార్? హూ షుడ్ ఆస్క్? వాళ్ళు వచ్చి ఓకే ఇప్పన్నీ చూపించరండి. హోప్ యు గాట్ మై పాయింట్. ఓకే, వీ షుడ్ స్పీక్ విత్ దెమ్. Okay, what type of business you are doing, what type of transactions you are going to do, what type of procurement you are doing, what type of production you are doing, what type of transactions in finance you are doing. Please let us know. Then only we can build. These all things in SAP application. That is our role. Everyone is clear, right? Then here Reliance Petroleum, what is their functionality? They are purchasing material from local market. At the same time, they are purchasing material from both. They should record in system or not. So what is Adani Power requirement? Only local. Now Taj Hotel, coming to Taj Hotel. This Taj Hotel, okay, management has told, if anyone occupy my business suite room, the tariff should be 10,000. Automatically it should come in system. Okay, how much tariff? 10,000. If anyone takes some single bedroom, the tariff would be 5,000. Automatically it should come in system. Who should design? That is their requirement. What is consultant role? Yes, Ram? Client business requirement. What consultant will do? Consultant always take requirement from business clients. Okay, they will give that information. I need like this, I need like that. Okay, I need this one. For example, I take coming to finance. I have local vendors, AP, accounts payable, right? What is accounts payable? Nothing but vendors. In my company, I have local vendors and I have import vendors. I always deal with government bodies also. I have service vendors. These all are different 4 types of vendors I have. These 4 vendors should be recorded in system. In AP, okay, as a finance, what is AP? Accounts payable. Okay, accounts payable means nothing but vendors. How many types of vendors that particular company is having? Local vendors and import vendors and government and vendors. They are purchasing something from government companies. Hope you got my point. And service vendors like lawyers, chartered accountants. Hope you got my point. Okay, these all are service vendors. I need these 4 type of vendors in my system because I am dealing with these 4 types vendors. Now, if I want to record these 4 types of vendors, you should design these 4 types of vendors in system. Hope you got my point. In a simple way, if you take your bank account, if you enter your bank account somewhere, your name will automatically will come or not? Okay, based on your account number, your date of birth also will be retrieved or not? Your PAN card details also will be retrieved or not? Your address details also will be retrieved or not? How it is coming? How it is coming? In back end, someone has done those all settings like us. Hope you got my point. In back end, someone has done settings. Whenever he enters his account number or whenever he enters PAN number, his all details should be retrieved. Hope you got my point. Now tell me, okay, what functional consultant will do? Based on client business. Your role is to take inputs from client business users. You should design, you should configure those things in SAP application. Everyone is clear, right? From today onwards, if anyone asks how many types of job roles we have in SAP, what are those? Consultant role and business user role. What business user will do? Business users are nothing but client side employees. They just open that application, they record the transactions. They just open that application, they record transactions. That's it. Okay, in which system? SAP live system, SAP production system. Then what is the other role? What consultant will do? Consultant will take requirements from client, okay, from, and they will configure that requirement in SAP application based on based on based on client business requirement. Based on client, everyone is okay. Understood, right? Then what is the other role? Who are these technical consultants? Nothing but who are these functional consultants? FI, CO, FNM, ST. These all are okay. FC, functional consultants. These people don't require any coding language. As I already told you yesterday, we are not going to discuss about any programming language and coding. It is a non-coding course. It is non-coding course. But you people should understand what consultant will do. Consultant will take that requirement from client and they will configure the same requirement in SAP application based on normally people will go to shopping, right? If people purchases clothes, if people purchases cell phones, mobiles, watches, everything. Whenever you go to shop, one person will sit in front of system. Once you done purchases, they will take your cash or card. They will generate one invoice. They will give it to you, right? Simple. They will enter details and they click on OK print and automatically invoice will come. How it is coming? మనం ఆలోచించాం అవన్నీ ఓకే మనకి ఎందుకు మనం వెళ్ళాం ఇంకా షర్ట్ కొన్నాం వచ్చేసాం రైట్ ప్యాంట్ కొన్నాం వచ్చేసాం హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ కమింగ్ back end okay consultants like us have designed in back end consultants like us has designed that system date okay it should come from left side okay company logo it should come okay in between right okay phone number address and particulars okay material and quantity amount these all things are coming or not and okay everything okay it is coming or not how it is coming how it is coming someone has done that design in back end someone has done the design in backend based on that one only there's all things coming who are that someone who are that someone who are that someone consultant or business user who are using that system who are generating that invoice now tell me who has demand in the market consultant or business user consultant or business user whose salary is high in the market consultant or business user consultant or business user consultant or business user why because if you become business user just assume that even if I take some 8th class person or 10th class person if I train him you should enter this one you should enter that one you should enter that one and you should click on print then invoice will come he will do or not he will do or not he will do or not even 10th class person if I train him 10 times 11th time he will do or not he will do or not he will do or not then what about consultant consultant should think differently whenever the client changes for Taj Hotel I should okay think from Taj Hotel point of view for Adani Power I should think from Adani Power point of view from Reliance I should think Reliance Petroleum point of view. Hope you got my point. So compared to entry of the data, designing the software is critical. Right or wrong? Hope you got my point. Designing, if I design perfectly, if I design in a proper way, then only business user can. Then only business user can. I have designed something in system for okay some class showroom. You have gone to that okay showroom and you have purchased one shirt the shirt amount is 2000 they have entered everything the shirt okay code and everything they have taken printout you have seen that printout it is coming as 20000 What is our shut value? But what it is coming? If I don't design properly here, who will impact? Who will impact? Who will impact? That is whose role is important? Who is having huge demand in the market? Whose salaries are high? Whose salaries are high? Whose salaries are high? Now tell me what you will become, sir? Business user consultant. What we will become? Business user or consultant? What you will become? Hmm? If you do proper hard work, everyone in this room should become, because the career growth will be different, the salaries are different, the respect, the cadre, and everything will be different if you become consultant. So many people normally will ask me, sir, okay, in market AI is coming, in ML is coming, okay, Chat GPT is coming. What about jobs? Really, we have jobs in SAP. Whose jobs will be affected? Whose jobs will be affected? Whose jobs will be affected?
People
Why?
who does transactional work.
Why? I already told you. If I take 10th class people, if I give 10 times training, 11th time he will do or not? Mission also will do the same thing. Right or wrong? Whose jobs will be impacted? Whose jobs will be impacted? Not consultant. Consultant should have brain. Consultant should have brain. Mission can do up to some extent. But consultant also should learn some part of a to design system in a proper way. To design system in a proper way. But their jobs will not be impacted. Whose jobs will be impacted? Whose jobs will be impacted? Because that is repeated work. Every day same invoice, every day same quantity may be differ, material may be differ. Right? Hope we got my point. But okay, same repeated work, same repeated work. What is AI? What is ML? What is ML? Mission learning. Mission will learn how to post that invoice. Mission will learn how to generate that invoice. So human intervention is not required in going forward. Right or wrong? Hope you got my point. Okay, hope you got my point. Then whose jobs will be impacted? Whose jobs will be impacted? Going forward, consultants will have very huge demand. Even AI consults. But you people don't know these all things. We are in the market, we are doing the jobs. That is the reason. We know you people will slowly come to. If anyone asks, Are Baba, you are learning some course, AI is coming, ML is coming, your job will be impacted, you don't get any job. These all are bullshit things for me. These all are bullshit things for me. Seriously, I am telling you. Every challenge there will be opportunity. Every challenge there will be opportunity. Whether you will grow or not is totally depends on your mindset. Total depends on your mindset. Hope you got a moment. Anyways, what consultant will do? Consultants will configure client SAP application based on client. Then what technical consultant will do? As I already told you, this is not program course. This is not coding course. If any changes it required in program itself, hope we got Boban. If any changes required, functionality type, local procurement, import procurement, the business suite requirement or local dialogues room requirement, these all things who can do? But if any changes required technically in the program itself, because what is SAP? SAP is an application. Every application normally built on one programming language. Every programming language contains technical programs. Every programming language contains technical programs. I want to change the technical program itself. Hope you got my point. Based on my client requirement. Based on my client requirement. As a functional consultant, can I do? As a functional consultant, can I do? For example, just assume that SAP has given one standard formula. What is that? A plus B, A square plus B square plus. So whenever client has purchased SAP application, SAP has given this particular program in their application, standard program. Just assume that. Just assume that. Okay, this is the formula, right or wrong? Just assume that this is the program they built in their standard application. If I apply values, For example, 2 plus 3 whole square. 2 plus 3 whole square. What is the result? 2 square plus 3 square. 2 into 3. Then 4 plus 9 plus 12. What is the result? What is the result? 25. Right or wrong? 4 plus 9 plus 12. What is the result? 25. This is the standard. I have not changed anything. SAP has, okay, I have purchased application from SAP. The same thing I am using. The same thing I am using. What is the result will come? What is the result will come? 20. If I apply values. If I apply values. Everyone is clear, right? But my client, okay, told me that. Yes, you are saying SAP has given this formula, very beautiful formula, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. That is the unanimous answer. Okay, everyone has accepted that answer in the world. I agree. But I cannot use this formula as it is in my business. Hope you got my point. I cannot use this formula as it is in my business. Result should be 25 only. Result should be 25 only. But how it should come in my business, based on my business requirement. Hope you got my point. 4 plus 9 plus 12 equal to Anthony 25. I need here 1 minus 0. And again plus 0. It should come as this is nothing but additional code developed based on client
Required.
based on client business. As a functional consultant, can you do this one? As a functional consultant, can you do this one? If you open program and if you do anything, myself also, application will run like anything. Right? Hope you got my point. Because as a functional consultant, we don't know program. We don't know. In the same way, as a technical consultant, he don't know. If you ask any BTech CSC person, could you please explain me nominal account principle, okay, real account principle, personal account principle? Will they give answer? In the same way, if they ask you related to any programming language question, will you give answer? So here the mutual, okay, this both the people work is very, very important in any implementation. This functional consultant knows about functionality. This technical consultant knows about technical programs. These both people will see it, and these both people will analyze what is client requirement. How we can develop. If it is standard availability, then okay, functional consultant will design. There is no problem with that. If there is any additional code required, who will do? Technical consultant. Everyone is clear, right? Now tell me, what technical consultant will do? Is that okay? Non-standard. Okay, normally what we call the standard application provided by SAP, we call as standard functionalities. If it is not standard, we are developing, okay, by taking help from technical consultants. Then we call that is what we call. We should not pronounce that Z. In SAP terminology, we call that is G. Hope you got my point. If you go to any interviews, they will ask, have you involved in any G developments? In GT చూస్తాను సార్ అంతేగాని G developments లోకి వెళ్ళలేదు. Don't talk like that. What is G? G is nothing but not available in standard application. It is customized. Okay. The standard one what we call configure. Okay. The G what we call Customize. What we call? Customize. G programs. G transactions. G reports. Based on client business requirement. Based on business by taking inputs from ఎవరి దగ్గర నుంచి తీసుకుంటారండి వాళ్ళు ఎవరి దగ్గర నుంచి తీసుకుంటారండి ఎవరి దగ్గర నుంచి సార్ not from client by taking inputs from no technical consultant directly interact with client always interact with so if it is available functional consultant will deliver functional consultant will design if it is not available in standard then functional consultant will discuss with technical consultant both will sit both will identify where they can develop how they can achieve. Hope you got my point. Because clients are spending crores of rupees in SAP application. It is not 1,000, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 like that. Clients should pay crores of rupees to SAP every year. By spending crores of rupees, if SAP says no, you should not change this one, no, you should not change like that. You should use only standard application like how we are using WhatsApp. What client people will say? ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చారు నువ్వు ఏం చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నావు రైట్ hope you got my point we are giving crores of rupees to you that application should work based on my business requirement not based on every things right or wrong hope you got my point so you should give a chance to change that application based on my business requirement based on because I am spending money crores of money on that application every year right or wrong hope you got my point that is the reason if it is available in standard, functional consultant will make that one. There is no problem. If it is not available standard, then this functional consultant will work with technical consultant. What technical consultant will do? TC will develop G, customize. Customized means not available in standard SAP application. Not available in standard SAP application. G programs, G transactions, G reports based on client business requirement and by taking inputs from functional concept. This is the thing you people should understand. From now onwards, if anyone asks how many types of roles we have in SAP, how many types of roles we have? Three. Two types. What are those? Consultant and business user. Again in consultant how many types we have? What are those? Functional consultant, technical consultant. Who are functional consultants? Functional consultant nothing but FI consultant, CO consultant, MM consultant, PP consultant, ST consultant, HCM consultant. These all are functional consultants. Hope you got them. What functional consultants will do? Functional consultant will configure client SAP application based on client business requirement. Hope you got them. I am using liability GLs, I am using asset GLs, I am using income GLs, I am using expenditure GLs. These all, by using these all GLs, I should record transactions, finance transactions in SAP application. Who will design? Functional consultant. Who will design? Functional consultant. There is no requirement of technical consultant. Hope you got my point. But it is not available in standard. Hope you got my point. It is not available in standard. Then who will develop that one? How he will develop? By taking inputs from always client will interact with not with. That is the reason I always tell to my students, even my office also, even my teammates also, the relationship between functional consultant and technical consultant should be like fish and fisherman. Fish and fisherman. ఎలా ఉండాలండి? Should be like husband and wife.
Husband and wife.
నాలుగు గోడల మధ్య ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్టు కొట్టేసుకుంటారు. బయటికి వెళ్ళి మా ఆయన బంగారం, మా ఆవిడ బంగారం. రైట్? హోప్ యూ గాట్ మై పాయింట్. ఇన్ ఆఫీస్, ఓకే, ఇన్ నార్మల్ మీటింగ్స్ we fight like anything with technical consultants. Technical consultant also will fight like anything, but we never ever discuss these all things with. Hope you got my point. We are team. We are team, right? We should deliver the requirement to clients. The requirement to clients. We fight like anything. రాత్రి కూర్చొని బీరు తాగుతాం, పొద్దున్న సిస్టమ్ వచ్చినట్టు కొట్టుకుంటాం, మళ్ళీ అదే రోజు రాత్రి మళ్ళీ కూర్చొని మళ్ళీ బీరు తాగుతాం. రైట్? హోప్ యూ గాట్ మై పాయింట్. ఓకే, ప్యాకెట్ హోప్ యూ గాట్ మై పాయింట్. The relationship between functional consultant and technical consultant should be like, అలాగని ఎవరో ఒకళ్ళు టెక్నికల్ కన్సల్టెంట్ అమ్మాయి ఉంటే వెళ్ళి మా సార్ చెప్పారు, రైట్? ద రిలేషన్ బిట్వీన్ ఫంక్షనల్ కన్సల్టెంట్ టెక్నికల్ కన్సల్టెంట్ షుడ్ బి కొడతారండి. ఓకే, హోప్ యూ గాట్ మై పాయింట్. ఫర్ బెటర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ పర్పస్ ఐ am giving. Please note it.
Hello.
Any doubts?
Hello, sir.
From all
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. I have a small doubt. Do you have any freelancing work in functional consultant in
Just
SAP?
one.
Or
Yeah. Any doubt?
do we have any freelancing work in functional consultant, sir?
Yeah, okay. Everything is fine,
Freelancing
right?
work. Hello.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everything is fine, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, small doubt, sir.
Okay, tell me.
Yeah. Do we have any freelancing work in functional consultant?
Obviously, if you have time, if any company is willing to give that freelancing work, definitely you can take. Yesterday night only I got one call from one company. Are you willing to do freelancing work? I told that one I am totally busy, I cannot do. So obviously, if you have time, okay, you can. You don't have any problem. Okay?
Okay, sir. Sir.
Yeah. Any doubts? Everything is fine, right?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So we meet tomorrow, sir. Tomorrow also we have class at 7:30. Okay. As I already told you, 7 days we have class. First 1 month normally we will take 1.5 hour only on Saturday and Sunday also. But from second month onwards, Saturday and Sunday it will be 4 hours to 4.5 hours. 4 hours to 4.5 hours on weekend. Okay, hope you got second month onwards. Okay. Annaprasam roju okay అవుతుంది. Okay, right. Slowly we will change the game. Okay, right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Happy weekend.
Thank you. Same to you. Thank you.
Happy weekend, sir.
Thank you. Same to you. Happy weekend అంటే రేపు క్లాస్ రారేంటి సార్? Right. We have class tomorrow.